Okay guys, this is the Instant Mani. I got this from Target and I've been seeing this brand and I wanted to try it out, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it worked out and how long these actually stayed on. Let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what all comes in here. Okay, so this is the prep pad, the instructions, you get a cuticle pusher, the nails, some glue. Oh, it is actually pretty sturdy. And then you get, I guess some extra nails. Let's see what we're supposed to do first. It says, first test, hold each press on nail up to your finger and find your perfect size. Okay. I hope these are not going to be too small. They look small, but this is the biggest one. They fit into the cuticle pretty good. So that actually looks pretty good. So we know that is a 14. Wow, I got some big fingers, guys. This is a 11. Let me try that. These actually fit pretty tight. That 11 fits pretty good. Let's see how easy it's going to be to actually pick these out of here. My nails look so crusty, guys. Like, ugh. I need something to cover these babies up. Okay. So I'm looking for another 14. Oh, it looks like, are these toenails? It looks like they got toenails. Are these toenails? Just gotta be a toenail because I don't know nobody thumb this big. Like, look at that. Who thumb is that big, y'all? This has to be a toenail. Let me look for my size because clearly these big ones are not. Let me go ahead and, oh, I do not like this cuticle pusher. It's like too sharp. But I'm gonna go ahead and use what they put in the pack because it looks like this is split. Let's just continue, guys. But I'm not gonna jab myself with this wood now. Come on, ain't that serious? I put the nail glue inside and out, and then the nail just flies off. I try not to put it at the tip because you don't want to touch it. And So I end up still getting the air bubble. Wow. Hopefully these will come out better. Let's keep it going. Yay, look at this. It is so pretty. And I mean, it just sits in your cuticle. Like, it really turned out really good. So guys, I'm going to put the other hand on. I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about this. Okay guys, so I got them all on. Now I'm just going to file if I see any like tip on it. I kind of wish they didn't have those things on it, because it'd be nice if they made them without those. These nails really exceeded my expectations. They were really sturdy. I don't feel like they're gonna pop off. I feel like I can actually do some work in these and feel safe. But guys, please have a safe holiday. Stay warm and cozy and love on your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on any videos I upload. Bye.